Hello everyone, myself Vedant, and today is October 31st. So let's start with the today's crypto analysis. So firstly, let's come up to Bitcoin. Bitcoin on daily time frame is totally bearish right here, and right from our levels, if I show you, so it's continuously giving a sell, sell, sell. Four continuous selling candles have been formed right here, and it was just near our TP, but as I already said you, we would be looking below these lows for exits. So I exited this trade right here, uh, somewhat right on this level, and uh, right now on 4-hour time frame, it's reversing really well and showing a bullish momentum with 4-hour candle close in just few minutes. So right here, if this closes right like this, and um, we could be planning a buy trade if it sustains this level. Um, just wait. So yes, we could plan up this trade right with same setup as of this liquidity sweep. It went down, and this right here, it's forming a double bottom pattern. And also a liquidity sweep has also happened right here on 4-hour time frame. So we would be looking up for buyers right here. But we know the market right now on 4-hour time frame is really bearish, so we would be reducing our risk size and taking a small risk right here. Right now, I'm not planning up a trade. I would be seeing up right price forming. So on hourly time frame, um, as well, if we see it reversed really well, it gave a RTP, which was given on our Telegram and Instagram. Uh, really crazy move was there after our entry. No green candle was closed. No bullishness was spotted before this area, and after this green candle closure, I took my stop losses to this candle high, and after it crossed this RTP, I was out of this trade and booked my targets. So for this, so for now, it took a liquidity sweep right here and just trying to reverse back. Let's look for some uh, retracements right here. If it sustains again, we would planning up a trade, and I would be sharing it on Telegram and Instagram right there. And stay tuned and stay follow up right there. So yes, only so for now, no sell trades. So for now, no sell trades here, and no buying as well till some structure forms right like this. It formed a small double bottom pattern right here. We would be looking up for somewhat double bottom pattern like this. If it forms it, we would be entering up a trade for buy, and just look for buying on 4-hour time frame. It closed really bullish, and so let's see what's gonna happen next. If you wanna plan up a trade, really, uh, it would be slightly very risky sort of. And if you wanna plan up like this, so you can plan this trade right here. It on it's already tapped, and this would be your stop loss, and this would be a target of 7,000 points. Uh, so that's all for Bitcoin for now. Mm, Again, saying it's a really risky trade, and it could retrace back right here, and also high chance it could stop you out before having a up move, or just go in a flow really hard. So let's come up to Ethereum. So Ethereum also closed really bearish candles last 4 days, and it also took up this level liquidity, break this low. So we would be marking up this low, also this low as well. Okay, this low is intact. So only this low has been break by the price, and if we see, it's forming up uh it formed a triple bottom pattern right here, and retraced back again. So it's a weak low right there. So no trade here for buying. But right here, if we see on Bitcoin, it's just a double top pattern, double bottom pattern, sorry. And Ethereum is slightly bearish or more weak right now on 4-hour time frame, and on daily time frame as well. We can't see much of bullishness. So on Ethereum, we would be just keeping an eye for sells only for now, and that way it's just there. If we could plan up a trade only on the basis of this liquidity sweep which happened right here, but it's again really risky. So if you want to plan, you can plan it like that, but it would be totally risky sort of trade. So manage your position sizing accordingly. It's not a really A plus setup. So for now, this is it on 4 hour. So on 1 hour time frame, these were the trades that were given, and it smashed the TPs right away. And on 4 hourly as well, we were having up a trade, and it's currently running, and it gave us more than 1:2 RR. And let's hold this trade up right here and place a stop loss right above this candle. So yes, we would be placing up right above this level, or slightly this level if you could target. Or you could also have partial exits right here if you wanna book profits. You can, because this is a zone where it could reverse anytime, but we would be trying to capture the reversals as well. So let's see. So for now, I'm not recommending this trade for you. Same goes with this. Okay, this was given by me. Okay, so let's try up for this trade. Half quantity risking, and okay, It's really bearish right now. No, we can't buy. So let's come upon XRP. XRP on daily time frame is extremely bearish for now. And okay, so as we can see, it took this liquidity sweep, consolidated for a few hours or days, and just break this low. And we planned up a trade right here, and it's going also crazily down in our favor. And let's see what happens. If you wanna, you can put your stop losses to break even if you want to get risk free in this trade, because if it would if it reverse backs, it won't be coming down as of now. We want a steep selling right here like this, so you can put your stop losses right above this high and look for sells only. So it's we would be targeting firstly this low on XRP, and that's why I don't do 1 hour time frame, 1 hourly. So it's also bearish only. So just a second. On 1 hour time frame, uh, this was a trade which we could be taking, but I missed this trade. This was just a double top pattern, simply taking previous liquidity sweep and reversing and smashing our TP right in few hours. So this was a very clear trade right there, and this was also a selling zone or supply zone, you could say. This was a supply zone. It just smashed this. If you could see, this candle just smashed this level and just reversed back crazily, dumped the XRP coin. So on early time frame, it's just bearish. Okay, so we would be looking for sells only in XRP for now. Same goes with Ethereum as well, but we would be reducing our size as it's on a crucial level, right? Right, this. So on as Bitcoin is showing some bullishness, or reversing, just take making up a structure maybe. So let's see if if Bitcoin reverses right from this level, we would be selling up Bitcoin again. I would Don't worry, I would be sharing it up to you on Telegram. Go check it out there. If we plan up a trade there. So yes, on XRP as well, bearish, and BNB was sideways as I remember. So yes, BNB is sideways, but it gave a massive bearish candle, then doji, then again a bearish candle. So it's kinda bearish. And on 4 hour time frame, it's just this supply zone let this coin dump again, and again it's just consolidating right here on this demand zone. And if we can see, it just took this previous low liquidity and reversing again, but we won't be planning up a buy trade right here with only just this liquidity sweep, because the coin is really bearish right now, and we would be looking up for more confirmations before entering a trade. So yes, on 4-hour time frame, it's just bearish. We would be looking for sells further on 4-hour, and let's head on to 1-hour time frame. On 1-hour time frame, as as we marked this liquidity, it's just reversing or retracing back from that level, and this was a liquidity sweep and just massive fall right here. This was crazy. Okay, BNB also never formed such pattern right here so that we could sell up right. It gave a sharp move after this supply supply zone got hit, and didn't even get an entry for sells. So for now, no entry on BNB. It's on a consolidation phase, as I've previously said. On After a big rally, massive rally, it's just consolidating right here. Might get liquidities from right here, and just manipulative. So on, let's head on to Solana. So uh, Solana is also consolidating right here. Okay, so if we see was Solana gave a reversal, bearish candle, then a good bearish candle right here, and then a really small doji candle, but a bearish candle only, and then a massive bearish candle right here was formed yesterday. So it's bearish on hourly time frame, but there's a demand zone right here and a support zone as well. So no selling right here for now. On 4-hour time frame, we have planned this sell trade before, and it just smashed the TP right here, and on this was not on 4-hour, this was on 1-hour time frame. This trade was on 1-hour time frame, and it just smashed the first stop loss as bearishness continued. So yes, it formed a double top pattern and just reversed here, and before it just formed a triple bottom pattern and gave a good up move right here, and again it's right here. It could be said as a double bottom pattern, but we are not considering it as this level became so weak now. For now, we are only looking for sells on Solana as well, as overall crypto markets are bearish till it forms some structure for a reversal to bullish. Okay, this was a bad trade. So yeah, well, it's just that we had this trade. It go really well. 1:3. It gave one risk stop loss. So we are up 2 RR in Solana. Okay, so no further trades right now in Solana, as it's just retracing back after a big explosive selling move. So we would be waiting for some reversal to sells. Uh, Likewise, we would be looking for any structure for selling, and I would be sharing the setups on Telegram again. Uh, so let's head on to our fifth coin for today. Fifth or sixth one, I guess. So yes, it's sixth coin, which is Doge, and Dogecoin. It's extremely bearish on daily time frame. It closed four bearish candles as every other coin, and on 4 hour time frame, its supply zone has not been tapped right right there, and so it shows massive bearishness in this market. So also it got this liquidity right here and reversed crazily well. Okay, so right now it's on a crucial level. It got this liquidity and continued below, so it had no matter for marking up. This is the ultimate liquidity we would be looking up for now. Also, we could mark it up as double bottom pattern, but as the markets are really bearish right now, I won't be making up this trade, as this was the really explosive bearish move. So it might get SL again and then go up. So we would be looking for some confirmations on hourly time frame as well before entering up a trade. So we would be planning up right away if it taps again this level and tries to reverse. Okay, so otherwise we would be planning only sells again. So let's see if price could retrace back to this level, or again if it forms any structure like this. So we would be trying to short it up right here. So I would be sharing all those trades on Telegram and Instagram only. So for now, no trades today. As also today is Friday, I guess. Yes, today is Friday. It would be slightly low volume today. So in the evening session, maybe there could be some moves. I would be sharing up trades uh, if anything happens. So yeah, that's it for today. So only this Bitcoin trade is just active, as Bitcoin is on a good level for buying, but it's bearish right now, so it's a really risky trade. No other trade, I guess, is right now active. No, only XRP. This XRP trade is running, and this this Ethereum trade is active. So yes, only these three trades are active, and let's see what would be the result to these trades. I would be sharing all right away in the upcoming sessions. Thank you so much. That's all for today.